January 7th was a normal day. Took the kids to school, headed into work, and then late morning, I'd say it was around 10 a.m., I started getting calls.
My daughter's teacher called me and she was like, there's people picking up their kids from school, like something's happening. And so I looked out the window and it was just black smoke.
A friend of mine had sent me a video of our house with one of our staircases, an exterior staircase, on fire. So I knew that there was a chance that the house was gone. And Emily was pregnant, but she was still pretty early on. It was nerve-wracking for sure, having 3 young kids and a pregnant wife, and it was a scary situation. By the next day, that the house was burned.
That day we lost everything. The day after the fire, I started having bleeding, and it was like pretty heavy and cramping, and the doctors at the emergency room thought it was because of all the stress that we were under. I called my friend who has a barn in Santa Barbara. It's like, Tiara, we need somewhere to go. There's no availability at any hotel or Airbnb. It was like the perfect distraction for the kids to kind of land. It was 28 weeks, 5 days. We realized that my water had broken, and so we all drove to Cottage. When I first went in the hospital, I really thought I was going to die.
It was a really scary time. We weren't settled in Santa Barbara. We never anticipated to have the baby up here. I was really nervous.
Thought it was just going to be continue monitoring and see how she does. We decided that they were going to take her out that day.
Athena was born at 29 weeks gestation, which is quite premature. After birth, she required assistance with breathing, assistance with temperature regulation. She also needed lines through her umbilical cord to provide additional nutrition and hydration and additional monitoring for her blood pressures.
Immediately, we started researching it and figuring out, that it is actually one of the best NICUs.
Our NICU prioritizes family-centered care. We make it a goal to collaborate and to partner with parents. We see parents as part of the caregiving team.
It helps us to have a really strong relationship with the parent because they know the baby best.
Athena was in the NICU for 65 days total. We just couldn't believe it. We were so unsure if she was going to be okay, and now she's just a functioning baby. We still, when we look at it, we're like, look at this big fat baby. Can you believe this?
All the babies we see are amazing, and you feel like you get to make a difference in people's lives. But the families like Athena's, they make your life different. They make you see how much progress and how much of a difference we get to make.
We're fortunate that families can stay rooted here in the Central Coast where they can be close to their home and their family.
Today is amazing. Every day I wake up and I feel like I'm in a dream almost, because I'm so grateful for how we landed, and Cottage is just a dream hospital.
I'd like to express personal and professional gratitude to all the donors and community supporters. Your donations and support to Cottage Children's Medical Center has impact beyond just the immediate hospital walls. It sets the patients and their families up for a lifetime of success.
The level of care that we got was incredible. We're so grateful for the support and care we received from Cottage. Athena wouldn't be here without them.